chance. Funny how life works.
People be like that too. Yeah, dude, man. Shelter, we got shelter. Oh, Badger.
Can you find more?
Come on, Mr. Badger.
That creature.
We're gonna be okay.
What are you doing here? Jerk!
Bummer. This one's dead. Hammer!
Yes, the flight instructor. Forget about it.
Fine.
Oh my god.
Don't give up.
You don't look so good.
Is everyone accounted for?
Maybe one more.
Hey, those are Bright Bill's baby pictures. Put that down. Knock it off. You think those grow on trees? Hey, no. Think only.
Smelly, noisy, prone to biting. We're all gonna die.
What's he doing here? Oh, great. This'll help. Get out of here. I worked hard on this.
Fink, what is happening?
You put a bunch of predators and their food supply in one room. Who knew? That's my lunch! What?
Help them.
School action.
I hate most of you. Everyone in here hates someone else. And here's the deal. First one that walks out that door is dead. And if we can't keep it together in here, everyone's dead. We all got one chance to see next spring. Because of her. The thing. The monster. Well, her name is Roz. And while you all ran from her and stole from her and made fun of her, all she's been trying to do is raise her kid.
Yeah.
The little one no one gave a chance,
Tell him, Fink.
including me.
Yeah, dude.
She's the one who got you out of the storm,
You could have eaten
built
it
this
later.
place.
He helped.
And despite my suggestion that she let you all freeze, she risked everything to bring you here.
Yeah, shame on you.
You all have instincts that keep you alive. But sometimes, to survive, we must
Yeah, I think
become
this
more
movie is
than
gonna
we
be
were
winning
programmed
Best
to be.
Animated Film.
Before I shut
The
down,
amount of
I need
emotion
you
in here
to promise me
heavy.
This is so reliable to people also, by the way.
while we are in here.
She's right.
This doesn't go.
I will not harm anyone.
Wow.
Good bear.
Not
Bear saying
while
so.
we're in here.
Hell yeah.
porcupine.
Roz, what's going on? I completed my
Tu
task.
mamas.
You sure about that?
He died?
I will consider this.
Some more work to be done, Roz.
Down, we got a man. Energy.
Oh my god.
That's it.
Are you sure?
While
This
until
movie should be a break.
springtime.
Drag her outside or something.
I mean,
They saved all of them, right?